How to share Google Drive files in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to share Google Drive files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now choose one of the channels or chats that you would like to send the files, just like this. After that, here you can find plus button, tap on it, then tap on to upload file, select it. Now if Google Drive is integrated with your workspace, you may see a Google Drive option directly. Otherwise, tap files, then choose browse. Tap on to browse right here. Now simply search for it, just like this, and tap on to one and send it, and tap on to send, and now you can see your Google Drive file is now sending. And that's it. This is how you can share Google Drive files in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.